Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Facebook account without phone number. But before we continue this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to support this channel. Well, to create a new Facebook account without using a phone number, you can use an email. So let's just practice to create a new Facebook account. The first step, please open the Facebook application on your phone. And then, tap to create new account. If there is a question, allow Facebook the following permissions. You can choose deny or allow. Here I tapped any. The next step, enter your name. And then taps next. Select your birthday. Facebook requires everyone to be at least 13 years old to create an account. Then, tap next. Choose your gender, female, male or custom. The next step, you are asked to enter your phone number. However, if you don't want to create a Facebook account with a phone number, tap the Sign Up with Email Address section. Then enter your email address which will be used as a Facebook account email. Then tap Next. Until this point, you have to create a password for your new Facebook account. Make the password as strong as possible. And then, select Sign Up without uploading my contacts if you don't want to upload contacts to Facebook. Or select Sig Up if you allow it. Well, this is your new Facebook account email address and password. Please remember and save it. And then tap OK. The next step, please check the incoming message from Facebook at your email address to see the verification code. This is the verification code that you must enter on the verification form. You can also click on this section to verify, but I chose to copy the code and then enter it into the verification form. Here, you can choose Skip or choose from Gallery to add your new Facebook account profile photo. Well, now you have a new Facebook account without using a phone number. That's the tutorial about how to create Facebook account without phone number. See you in the next video.